I too have been trying to get this out for several years. But before I started working with Tom, it was all from up here. And I just couldn't get there. The fact that you, Tom, that you teach us to rely on the author within, the divine author within, made all the difference in the world to me, because that's where the book, where at least where my book has to come from. I can't speak for anybody else, but my understanding is that that is what you teach for all of us, that the message is not mine, it is the message from our source, and it needs to be undiluted, and just flow through the conduit.